My people, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Learn Forex with Ease. This is Sam, and in today's video, I will walk you through what we call market outlook. Last week was super pump, super excited, super interesting because every trade we threw out last week, everything played out perfectly and accordingly. There is this video jumping up right here. You can go and watch it in case you just joined us the very first time. And I also want to urge you, if you're joining the very first time, kindly subscribe to this channel because you're going to be learning a lot and you're going to be getting some educative text and lots more from this channel. This is Learn for It with Ease with Sam Inde. In today's class, let's go into what we call market outlook. This is when we come into the market to determine what is expected of the market, to predict, to give you a projection of what's going to be happening, a broader view of what's going to be happening typically in the market, etc. And these are the things you should pay attention to. My first way for this new week is what we call CHF Do not forget last week I threw this out and this sell and market see the mongol sell. Let's measure it. Let's measure it. Imagine you took that sell last week. I told you this is going to be happening sell for the whole of the week. That's about how many pips? Oh my gosh, over 600 pips. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy, guys. I told you, I said it's going to happen all of the week. I said it's going to be doing sell throughout the week, and that happens, guys. A lot more and a lot more. Please, I watch it to you and watch our last week video so you can get an insight and begin to follow us on what we call market outlook. Don't miss out. It's going to be a banger. It has been a banger so far, and it has been interesting. So let's go into today's class and let's see. My first way, don't forget, is this baby. I'm super excited because this is a very sweet, this is a quite sweet setup, and I'm super excited on that. I'm super excited. CSF first, CSF. I'm going for CSF first. You can see. Let me show you why I'm considering CSF my first trade. CSF was my first. I can see these Mongols. I can see these Mongols rejections on a daily time frame. Can you see, guys? This is a key. This is a. Yeah, you see this. Those two rejections on a daily time frame. That shows that what market is rejecting. Buyers are strongly in the market. You're strong in the market. They want to fight for it. They want to fight for it. Am I talking to somebody? They want to fight for it and push this baby to this point here. So that means that what buyers are coming in already. Aside from that, there is an expo I used to give to my student. Okay, let me keep that for my student. This is not for view videos. Let me keep that. It's from our mentorship class. An expo on this kind of setup, actually. Don't worry, I'll keep that for our student anyway. Or those who are in our Telegram group, I'm going to be training that for them for free. So if you are not in our Telegram group, I want to urge you right now, please and please go to the link right now and subscribe to our channel or join us on our Telegram so that you can enjoy some lots more from us. Am I talking to somebody? So you can see that rejection is obvious. We are hoping that it comes back to this trend line, then push, come and form and what a shoulder, then head here, then push or breaks above this, then go back to it. Then we are looking to sell at this junction again. That is for CHF Am I talking somebody? All right. The next I am looking for is this baby. This is so super sweet. I love this so much. This is sweet. In fact, I guess we are already on this on it on the VIP. This is a strong buy. Taking our first profit here, second profit here, and the last profit, third profit here. Right now, we're already buying. I got sniper hence a super sniper. I was getting about 15 tips or so. I so much got a super sniper entry, and we are actually buying already on. We are bearish. It's a bearish market on VIP. We have actually so we have our VIP as well free. If you want to join, you can look for the link around this video or comment below this question below this video right now, so we can hand you up to the VIP. It's also free. You might talk to somebody. All right. Good. So this is this. Of course, you can see the pin bar is happening on daily. That shows that what a strong rejection. Pin bar is happening on our cycle level. That's alone. It's a confirmation. You can see our trend line touching it. The last time it touches here, it rejected. The last time it touches here, it rejected. Last time it touches rejected. It's like 6 times. Come on, that shows a strong bullish movement. So that is why we will be buying these guys. Aside from that, I'm also looking at this baby. I'm looking at this baby USD card. Same thing happens on USD share. We can see this Mongoose pin bar. Let me show you why you should know. This one is more technical. Let me show you some things about technical. Can I care about this one? No, you have to wait for this one to cross this cycle level. Let it cross this cycle level and we test under it because when we are above that, when we are buying, if it cross something like this, that's when you can only buy this one. This one is a bit technical. It's not ready for buy. Unlike that one that is ready. You should allow this to do this, then come here Then push, you can take your first profit here. Then after taking away this, you cannot enter here and take your last profit. This is what I'm doing here. Let it comes here, we test under it so that you can buy at this point and put your cursor below here. Okay. So this one is a bit technical, so you have to be very watchful. It's not like the CSFJPY that we can enter immediately. So we can send the get here, can take a profit because there might be a reaction at this point. There most courses and then break above here, then we test under. Then you can now long to someone around here or here. Am I talking to somebody that is on CSFJPY? Am I talking to somebody? Let's move into the next one. I'm also looking at this baby. I'm looking at this baby. UJ. Of course, this is a buy. You can see these rejections on daily time frame. The two mongols rejection. These two candle rejection. So I draw a line here. I'm starting to break this line here. Once it breaks this line with that on above it, then I'm willing to long on UJ. This imagine, guys. Don't forget, please. These are good to these I'm gonna be doing for the whole of the week. It's gonna be doing the whole of the week, just like what I showed you last week. I showed you. Just like this one I showed you last week as well. CHF. I showed you around here. I said this thing is gonna be doing sell for the whole of the week. And you see the sell it did. That's about 600 something. And later did buy just on Friday only. Imagine you have been selling for Monday. You have made a lot of money, guys. So please do not forget any trade we are giving you here are going to be doing a mongoose and a crazy for the whole of the week. Just position yourself and make sure you are doing something meaningful with it. Am I talking to somebody? All right. I'm also expecting UJ to also give me a prudent long on this market. You can see the rejections, strong rejections that shows that market buyers are in control. And I'm expecting what a break from this area. Once it breaks and reaches under above it, then I'm going to long to this point here. What else? Then the last one is this CADJPY. The last one is okay. I think no, I still have I have NZDUSD here. Yeah. I'm willing to long, I'm willing to short on this actually, guys. Let me show you. I'm willing to short. You can see that there is a stoppage at the area of this place where the market begin to form an order flow. Let me show you. There is an order flow. Can you see that? There is an order flow and multiple rejections. Order flows at this point. Market is trying to gather an order flow so that you can have a distribution probably to this point. Good. So I'll be willing to join the order flow at that point and the fair value. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. Once this breaks below this last low here, we test under it. I'll be willing to long. To have it first, take your first profit here. Then last one, take it go. So NZDUSD is a short market, guys. A very sweet one. A very sweet short market, guys. And the last one is CADJPY. CADJPY, guys. CADJPY. CADJPY. Please do not miss any of these three. They are super clean. I'm expecting it to break to show if a buying direction show and then breaks up last this break this last low. Once it breaks it, give me another test. I'll find my hand to it, then push to this point. So that's all for the week. These are super clean trade. Let me know the one you will be taking and the one that is most suitable to you the most. Comment it below on this comment section. Okay, let me look at gold for you guys. Let me look at gold for you guys. Gold. I haven't analyzed gold anyway. I haven't analyzed gold, but I believe gold should be shorting anyway. But we milked it. We do a bit of buy. We killed it and do a bit of buy last week. We milk gold throughout last week. Buy, sell. We did a lot of sales though. We killed gold last week though. Let me see what's gonna happen on gold. Let me see. This is a projection. This is a projection, of course. Of course, this gold should still continue the sell. You can see the two projections. You can see this gold should still continue a short. There should be a continuation of a short on gold right now. Let me change this. Gold should come here, come up react possibly, and last will break this above. So of course they should be expecting a short, still expecting a short on gold. The last time we had this reaction here, this create another flow, gold rejected above it, couldn't take it away. So for the fact I couldn't take this away, gold should be at downward to somewhere around here or here. Then you might want to now be confident in taking a full long because of this order flow, because of this injections that we have here, reactions that we have here. So that is on gold, guys. Yours is going to be a sell. So that is that for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And of course, so that you can, you can help us and help others, and share this video with any of your friends that may need it and may be of needful to this video. Thank you once again for joining me, and I wish you a profitable week ahead. Peace out, guys. Love you. Bye.